the boat for a good view. Governor's Island, statue, Ellis Island, Jersey City, Manhattan.
Life rings are positioned on the top deck and on the main deck, both forward and aft. Also, several quiet apparatus are stored on the top deck. We do not anticipate using any of this equipment, but feel free to contact a crew member if you have any questions.
Very empty boat.
Security
There's
is
5
also
people.
a concern for all. Please do not leave any bags or packages unattended, and be sure to take all of your belongings with you when you disembark. If you observe anything that seems out of the ordinary, please bring it to the attention of the captain or
Security checkpoint at Fort Clinton,
Thank you for your attention. We hope you enjoy your trip.
Castle Clinton, One World Trade. Jersey City.
Find your car.
Governor's Island. Got a barge, sailboats, yachts. It's 85 degrees today and it's overcast. This feels fabulous. Ellis Island straight ahead. Hudson River. We're in New York Harbor. Brooklyn in the distance. From here you can tell how large Governor's Island is.
The National Park Service, once again, welcome aboard. We're now on our way to the Statue of Liberty at Liberty Island. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from the people of France in 1886. It was originally intended to celebrate the 100th anniversary of America's independence and to be a symbol of friendship between France and the United States. The statue has since become
Verrazano
a
Bridge.
universal symbol of our nation's freedom, opportunity, security, and future. Enjoy your view of this great monument as we approach Liberty Island today. This view is similar to the one seen by many thousands of immigrants as they entered the U.S. by steamship. When the ships neared New York, the shining torch of the Statue of Liberty rose from the bay. Shouts and cries of joy would erupt from the steamer decks.
The Brooklyn Bridge.
For many, liberty enlightens the world, as the statue is officially titled, symbolized the freedom and opportunity that awaited them in their new land. The steamers proceeded on into New York's harbor, and passengers got their first glimpses of the Manhattan skyline, including the Brooklyn Bridge, which spans the East River between Manhattan and Brooklyn. You may be able to spot its stone towers today. Over the years, several newer bridges have been added to the harbor's landscape, including the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, which connects Brooklyn and Staten Island. If you look out from the Statue of Liberty, you might see the Verrazano Bridge in the distance. It's the longest extensive bridge in the United States. As the passenger ships continue north toward their dock in Manhattan, they also pass Governor's Island across the harbor to the east.
Ellis Island.
Located near the mouth of the river, like the one site of the Northern fortification.
Sorry for the wind noise.
In 2001, it was declared a national monument. The Statue of Liberty is part of the National Park System. We invite you to experience any additional enjoyable activities offered by the National Park Service, including outdoor guided tours to the complete Southwest Visitor Information Center for today's schedule. An informative audio tour is included with your ticket and will be picked up when you arrive on each island. It includes a 30-minute Statue of Liberty audio tour and a 45-minute audio tour of the Ellis Island Museum. Food and gift services are located both aboard this vessel and in the shops near the ferry dock at Liberty Island. For those traveling with groups of children, the National Park Service requires that there be one chaperone to every 10 children and that the group remains together at all times. Under normal conditions, the last ferry will be departing from Liberty Island at 5 o'clock. Ferry schedules are posted aboard this vessel and at the National Park Service Visitor Information Center on Liberty Island.
And we're docking on Liberty Island. I'm aboard the Miss New York. The Verrazano Bridge. orange boats are the Staten Island Ferry. And we are at the side of the statue. Sits on a pedestal that is a massive 8-pointed star. I'm sorry, it's a 12-pointed star. Manhattan, Brooklyn, Staten Island. Pier overlooking Manhattan. And we're getting sun interference from this side. Fort Wood. The statue's pedestal sits atop the remains of Fort Wood, originally one link in a chain of defense protecting New York City. Let's keep walking along the waterfront. Beautiful park. This is Ellis Island. This is the museum area and the entrance to the pedestal over on my left. Back to the ferry boats. The museum. And if you were to climb up the statue, you would enter from here after purchasing a ticket. It's a separate ticket, but it is like climbing a 32-story building, so climbers beware.
They also had like massage therapy courses, like part of like they were like it was basically like it was considered
National Park Service offices.
Money orders.
And if we get back on the boat, back to Manhattan, but stops at Ellis Island along the way to take a tour of Ellis Island. I'm going directly back to Manhattan.
Liberty State Park, New Jersey.
Thanks for watching.
New Jersey and New York.